How to fix 0x0000007a BSOD error in Windows. Fix 1. Check for loose or damaged cables. A kernel_data_ and page error happens when the system loses access to the data of a paging file because of loose or defective cables of your hard drive or SSD. Disk errors or bad sectors can prevent the system from accessing data, triggering the 0x0000007 error. Running a disk check can identify and fix these issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After a restart, Windows will begin to scan your disk. After your system boots back up, you can find the results in the event viewer. Faulty or failing RAM can cause the system to crash with this error. Testing your memory helps identify potential issues. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Let the tool run and complete the memory check. Review the results for any errors. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan.